The Trump-appointed FHFA head is out, new home sales fall, and 78% of homeowners who could have refinanced didn't. Hello, and welcome to the 90-second Real Estate Rundown. I am Jordan Norris. Summer is officially here, and things are still happening. There's a new acting director of the Federal Housing Finance Agency after Mark Calabria was forced to resign. A Supreme Court ruling this week made it possible for the president to remove the agency head at will, and he wasted no time in doing so. Sandra Thompson, who has served as deputy director and has been at the agency since 2013, has been put in place as acting director. Biden has not picked a full-time replacement for Calabria, who will then have to be confirmed by the Senate. The sale of newly built homes fell to the lowest pace in a year. It's likely because it's almost 20% more expensive to build new homes than it was a year ago. Higher material costs, delivery days, and labor availability are to blame. While lumber costs did drop a bit, they're still more than 200% higher than a year ago. Experts say it will likely be this way at least through the end of the year, with hopes that peak lumber prices are in the rear view now. Even though we saw record-breaking low interest rates last year, Zillow says 78% of homeowners passed up the opportunity to refinance. This is according to a survey of 1,300 homeowners. Almost 30% said that they didn't refinance because they didn't understand the process. Among those who did refinance, almost half said they saved $300 a month on monthly payments. Other reasons for not refinances included that they were considering moving and selling soon, and that the refinance fees were too high. Florida's governor signed off on legislation that clarifies some rules around remote online notarization, or RON as we usually refer to it. The first being that a notary is free to choose the RON platform of their choice unless specified by an employer or contract. The new law also clarifies that for a signer outside of the U.S., a passport issued by a foreign government that hasn't been stamped by the U.S. Immigration Services may be used as identification. The full bill is linked in the description. That's all the headlines for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.